Hello everyone, I am Ayush Patel from second year IT. Today I will be presenting a small video on B-Splines, quadratic surfaces, Bezier curves and NURBS. So starting with the B-Splines, it can be defined as short for basis splines. They are the types of splines functions widely used in the computer graphics and numerical analysis. They are characterized by minimal support with respect to a given degree, making them versatile tool for curving and surface modeling. Properties of B-splines. They possess several key properties including local control, smoothness and flexibility, making them suitable for representing complex shapes and surfaces. Applications. B-splines find applications in diverse fields such as CAD, animation and image processing, where their ability to define smooth and controllable curves and surfaces is invaluable. Constructing B-splines, control points and knots. The construction of B-splines curves involves the manipulation of control points and knots, with the arrangement and distribution of these elements influencing the shape and behavior of the resulting curve. Degree and continuing. The degree of a B-spline curve determines the order of continuity, affecting the smoothness and complexity of the curve. Interpolation and approximation. B-spline can be used for both interpolation, where the curve passes through the specified points, and approximation, where the curve closely matches a set of points while maintaining its own shape. Advantages of B-splines are flexibility and control, local editing, and smoothness and continuing. B-spline inherently supports smooth and continuous curves, making them suitable for applications requiring aesthetically pleasing and mathematically well-behaved shapes. Limitations and considerations of B-splines are its complexity. While B-splines are powerful, their complexity can pose challenges for beginners, requiring a thorough understanding in the underlying principles for effective use. Knot vector management and interpolation constraints. Understanding the constraints and implication of interpolation with B-splines is essential for achieving the intended curve characteristics. Exploring quadratic surfaces. So, introduction to the quadratic surfaces. It can be defined as quadratic surfaces are the type of parametric surface defined by quadratic equations, often used to represent smooth and continuous surfaces in computer graphics and geometric modeling. Characteristics of the quadratic surfaces are: these surfaces exhibit unique properties including conic sections, paraboloidal and hyperbolic shapes, making them versatile for modeling a wide range of objects and forms. Applications of the quadratic surfaces are: they find applications in 3D modeling, rendering and simulation, where their ability to accurately represent natural and artificial forms is valuable. So there are two types of quadratic surfaces, ellipsoids and hyperboloids. Quadratic surfaces encompass a variety of shapes including ellipsoids and hyperboloids of two sheets, and paraboloids, each with distinct geometric and visual characteristics. Mathematical representation. Understanding the mathematical representation of these surfaces, including their implicit and parametric forms, is essential for leveraging them in computer graphics and design. Visual properties.